Okay, a little bit more information here. I've been working on the blockchain backend here a bit with this app, and yeah, let me show you. Now I got a bunch of usability stuff that for the app for when we do a proof of concept, just so people, there's timers before images become public, things like that. The ability to ban people or delete images before they make it to public. So there's stuff like that, and then auto refresh, basic usability stuff. But on the blockchain side, what's done now is all the transactions occur. So when somebody downloads a photo, the individual, it looks up the royalties and it distributes them. And I'll show you, I created a report table that just shows the total amounts that have been transferred. So let me show you that. Okay, so I've just been using cat images to upload because they're the easiest to find. But on the admin table, I now have a blockchain activity, game day, and I can export the proof of concept data as well, which is something I'm going to need. So with the game day activity, what it shows is the total number of mints, how many likes, and how many downloads, how much has been distributed. Based on that, as well as how much each of the the different people or entities will get based on the royalties that they are required to get. So that basically wraps up this proof of concept build. So aside from wiping the database and getting rid of the accounts that I created, which I only created one account, but testing back and forth. But there's other things that got created that need to be cleaned off before we actually run the proof of concept. So everybody keep your fingers crossed for us being able to run our POC. I'll be really excited when it happens, and when it does, or I will update you on how it went.